The largest organ of your body is your skin. Kathy Jung, woman with smallest waist in the world, measures only 15 inches. Apple is made up of 25% air, that is why they float in water. Two Korean students made a raft out of potato chip bags to prove they have too much air in them. Kleenex tissues were originally intended for gas masks. Women like forehead kisses above everything. Bamboo tree grows so fast it's measured in miles per hour. This is racing camel haircut in Rajasthan. Amazing art. With only 3% body fat, Helmut Strebel at 47 is the most shredded man alive. Banana is a happy fruit. Intake of one banana relieves you from stress, pain, anger and depression. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. Help me reach 1000 subscribers. In 1942, there was a man called the Phantom Barber. He broke into people's houses in Mississippi at night and cut their hair. Two giant Australian cow is so big it can't be slaughtered or sold. Each Olympic gold medal is made up of 210 grams of silver and is coated with 6 grams of 24-karat gold. In 1871, this 10-year-old girl's grave was built with easy access stairs so that her mother could comfort her during storms. Chick hen Itza, when it was discovered in 1892 versus the present day. In 2017, Brazilian couple have adopted a stray dog after he gate crashed their wedding and fell asleep on the bride's veil. Sylvester Stallone still has the turtles from the movie Rocky and they are over 40 years old. Lion armor owned by a French king, Henry II, in 1550. Wealthy ancient Egyptians would sleep with neck supports instead of pillars to preserve their hairstyle. Shirley Slade, a fierce bomber pilot who flew a B-26 and B-39 in World War II. The biggest Wikipedia article in the world is the list of Joe Biden's 2020 presidential campaign endorsements. More than 250 dead people are currently frozen, waiting to be revived with future technology. This is Nordic prison, which focuses on rehabilitation rather than punishment. A resort in Japan offers customers a swimming pool-sized spa filled with coffee for their relaxing pleasure. Brussels Airport is the world's largest sales outlet for chocolate, selling over 800 tons annually. Bata is not an Indian company but Czechoslovakian footwear manufacturing company. When Maldivian president held the world's first underwater cabinet meeting to sign a climate change SOS. Every RGB color printed in a book. British intelligence agency MI6 once hacked an Al-Qaeda website and replaced bomb-making instructions with cupcake recipes. 2000-year-old tree in South Africa known as Tree of Life. Bananas are curved because they grow towards the sun. In 1980, a Las Vegas hospital suspended 7 employees and indicted a nurse for betting on when patients would die. Annie Hathaway's husband looks very similar to William Shakespeare, and Shakespeare's wife's name literally was Annie Hathaway. During the filming of The Passion of the Christ, the actor who played Jesus was struck by lightning on set. This is not a city, it's a cemetery in Iraq. Kim Jong is so heartless that he ordered North Koreans to give up their pet dogs for meat to deal with food shortage. The world record for alcohol consumption is by Andre the Giant, who drank 156 beers in one sitting. Thanks for watching.